Hello guys, friends, subscribers and new to our channel. This is Maki's channel and welcome to our channel. For this video, we have here another tips and tricks for the Dama or checkers. So we have lots of tips and tricks that have been uploaded before. So a lot of them with easy tricks for beginners or until for those complicated tricks for those who are expert in Dama. So right now I will upload another tip and trick and teach you another tip and trick to make you a great expert player in Dama. But before that, especially for those who are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell below to get updates of my latest videos. Okay, so right now let's start the tutorial. So this tutorial is pretty simple and nice without any scary things to happen, without danger, right, like that. So this starts with the movement right here going to d4. First move was from c3 to d4. We are now using the national numbering, letters and numbers, to easily catch up the main point. Okay, so c3 to d4. Then at this time the opponent's movement is going to from b6 to a5. So what we are going to do right now is to take advantage in the base of the opponent, to make the base of the opponent being attacked aggressively. That's our point right here at this tip and trick. So we will let that capture. We let that capture the piece, so it will capture. Then we also capture back. As you can see, we are here at c5. After that, it's the opponent's turn to make a move. So they make a move going from c7 to b6. This time, as you can see, we will not aggressively let that eat up and capture, because this one will have no support or less support if it will enter right here at an early stage. So right now, let's just cover that up in order for the opponent to make another move, and for these three piece right here to be trapped. So right now, the next movement from the opponent was to go right here from f6 to g5. So after going to g5, we will have to face another good and best defense, the line defense right here, the diagonal defense. What a nice defense. Then at this rate, the opponent is going to move from b8 to c7. He's doing that in order for this to be captured, but we don't worry about that because we have a support right here. So that the point right here is that he is waiting for us, like that. He's waiting for us to go right here, so that if it will enter right there, we cannot make a nice move and we will lose a piece or a chip. So instead of being problematic by that situation, let's just ignore that one. Instead, we will use the piece at g3 going to f4. Okay, as you can see, after going to f4, so it will not enter right here because it all know that there is a support right here. So instead of going right there, it will destroy our good diagonal defense. These 5 diagonal defense, they are going to destroy that up and going to this way. So to strengthen the weak points. Okay, as you can see. After that, the next movement we had is going to the corner from B2 to A3. It is a movement right there. They say that going to the corner is not good, but in this situation, it is a very good idea. Because as you can see, it can make the piece of the opponent trap in this way, just to defense for lot of opponent piece. So right there. After that, the opponent know that if, for example, he will go elsewhere, if you let that eat up, then you will eat twice right there, and if this way, you will enter the base easily right here. As you can see, so they can defend the base easily. So instead of letting that, letting them capture that way, so they are going to make a defense and a move. In order for that to happen, they are going to let that eat up, let their piece be captured, so that they can attack at an aggressive rate. So from B6 to C5, then we capture back, or we capture, then they capture back our piece right there at C5. After that, as you can see, the next movement we had is to use this piece right here at E3 to D4. Because if the opponent is going to eat up right there, we can enter the base right here. So the opponent will not really eat up going forward right here. Instead, it is going forward this way. So it is not good to go right there, because we all know we will be eaten twice or captured twice. Instead, we will go back to the base. After going back to the base, the next move we had is to use this piece right here, or else this is the next movement from the opponent from D8 to E7 right there. After that, we are going to make our next move from H2 to G3 right there at H2 to G3 in order to form another good formation. Then the opponent will make a move from G7 to F6. Okay, right there to F6. As you can see, did you see the weak point of the opponent this time? Did you actually see where's the weak point of this opponent? So as you can see, the only defense of the opponent in this way is only this one right here, because there is only two pieces right here, not three, and only one defense at this base right here. So what we're going to do is to let this piece be captured going to B4. So it will capture up the piece, then we capture back. After capturing back, they make a move. So this time they fail in this movement, because actually this is a real life scenario. I have played so many times and I have tried this movement many times, so don't worry if you think it will not happen, but this will really happen if you just follow the movement from the beginning. It will really happen, because it is a good possibility, not a rare possibility. Okay, so right now the opponent is going to move from C7 to B6. After that, we are going to go to the corner and A5. The opponent thinks that we are having a wrong move because it is being trapped to the corner, but this time they are wrong. For example, if they use this one to defend and go back to their base, but there is a move that they can be eaten with a triple capture. What a nice move. And in the other way, or in the other scenario, if they will not use this one right here, for example, they will use this piece to enter right there, then you will eat twice of the opponent's piece, or capture the opponent's piece. As you can see, that movement is a very good trap, a trap that no one can escape. So okay, as you can see, well, you see that very clearly. No other move. For example, if they're going to go that way, then we will eat, and we can easily become a flying king. And if they let that eat up, then they eat twice, they bounce back, but we again eat twice of their piece, or capture twice of their piece. So right now, this is one of the best formation and the best strong and best movement, a trap that is very rare to be out of the way. I mean, very hard for them to lose, or to to win the game, because they really will lose this game right there. So that's it for today's video. I hope you will learn a lot from this video, and I hope you will repeat this video many times if you want to understand it well. Then that's all. Thank you very much, and once again, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to get updates of my latest videos. That's all. Thank you very much, and have a good day, guys.